Hello, this video will provide you with an overview of Move the Needle or MTN analysis available on SAP Value Lifecycle Manager. MTN or Move the Needle analysis is a comparison of a target company with its peers or competitors on certain predefined key metrics. The analysis showcases what value your customer or target company stands to achieve on improving the performance of these metrics. That is, what does an incremental improvement or a slide moving up the needle could mean for the company as far as the monetary benefits are concerned? This analysis can support your executive first meetings and can be included within your door opener assets and collaterals. Here are the 5 steps to create a Move the Needle analysis on SAP Value Lifecycle Manager. Let's look at them one by one. To start an MTN or Move the Needle analysis, log in on valuemanagement.sap.com. Click on Start a new Move the Needle button. Start by typing in your target customer name. The system will start recommending company names and their associated publicly available information, which is enabled by an inbuilt integration with Capital IQ, which provides data for around 150,000 companies globally. Let's say for this demo, I'm creating an MTN for PepsiCo. If there is a match, industry, region, country, revenue, employee, and currency will be automatically populated. You can provide information for any missing fields like the MTN name here. You can specify currency and you can also choose to evaluate company's performance for the fiscal year or trailing 12 months. Please note that if you do not find the company through the search option here, you can still create an MTN, but in that case, you will have to manually provide all KPI information for the target company and the peers. The next screen provides an overview of company's profile information, their key financial metrics, and recommended list of peers and their associated financials. You have the option of modifying this list by deleting any of the recommended peer or by simply adding more peers. Click on the Add Peer button and start typing a company name. The tool will perform a smart search, and if the new peer company is found, their key financial metrics will be automatically displayed as well. The third screen provides the competitive analysis for the target company on a set of system recommended KPIs that depend on the selected industry and the set of publicly available KPIs for the same. You can view the details of all KPIs by clicking on KPI details. Here you see a list of all the system recommended KPIs already included in the MTN analysis, along with a catalog of additional KPIs that you can choose to include within your analysis. Let's say I'm interested to know more about DSO and DII. Going back, let's say we need to add days payable outstanding as another metric here as well. The underlying data is automatically pulled in. Click on the I button to know more about this KPI. You also have the option of deleting any of these KPIs and add more KPIs enabled by Smart Search too. For each selected KPI, you see the leading and lagging performer and their associated values. You can see the target company's performance mapped here as well. If the company's performance is tending towards the lagging peer, then it will be shown in red color. If the metric is towards the leading peer, it is tagged as green, else it's marked as yellow. This screen also includes estimation of potential benefits in operating income or free cash flow enabled by 1 unit change in the KPI. This unit will differ for each KPI. For instance, it could be a change in 1 percentage point, 1%, or 1 day for metrics like days in inventory, days sales, or payable outstanding. For instance, here you can see 1% decrease in COGS leads to a benefit of around $299 million in operating income for Pepsi. Click on this arrow to learn more about this benefit calculation and edit the benefit factor if required. The overall benefits on the operating income and free cash flow are shown at the top of the screen. You can also click on Refine Peer Selection to remove any peers at this stage as well. Click on Access Peer Data to access and edit the individual question level data of the target company or its peers. On each screen, you have the option to capture any of your key observations or notes in the recommendations box. On the next screen, you can see company's performance trend analysis for the past 5 years for all the selected metrics. Similarly, the same analysis is also available for competitors as well. You can view this information either in graphical or in a tabular format as required. The last screen is where everything comes together. Based on company's performance, KPIs are distributed into 3 tabs, each for strengths, opportunities, and concerns. The system recommends next steps and proposal to proceed with deep dive benchmarking exercise based on LOB areas which are identified for improvement initiatives. Click on these arrows to access a summary of peer and trend analysis for each KPI. Click on the Edit toggle button to modify any of the next steps and proposals along with changing the list of recommended LOB surveys. You can delete any of these KPIs or rearrange the KPIs across different buckets. For rearranging, click on this Add button within a bucket and select the KPIs that you wish to include within it. Say I want to move Day Sales Outstanding to Concerns tab here. Through this navigation pane, you can go back to any of the previous tabs to make changes as required. You also have the option to download this analysis into a PPT format. On the first slide, you have a placeholder to include your target company's strategic priorities, important enablers, and KPIs. Next, you can also see a value driver tree followed by all the offline charts and analysis. It'll also include the recommendations that you might have added on the tool itself, which you can also edit here. All MTNs are available in your personal dashboard within the MTN tab for access at a later stage. You can also start creating an MTN from here as well. Hope this video helped you in creating a competitive analysis in a quick and easy manner for your customers or prospects. Please reach out to valuemanagement@sap.com for further information. Thanks for watching.